friends, my name is Surjavo and this is my channel Technical Surjavo. Today I am going to discuss about a new topic in Scratch on how to bounce a ball and with different ball costumes. First step to open Scratch. Then you have to delete the Scratch sprite by using the scissor icon. It is deleted and I want to put a new sprite for library. I will go to sports and I will select ball. I will make it big and 5 costumes has already came. Then again I will go to sports, then ball soccer, I will make it small. Then again from sports I will select baseball. Then again from the library I will select basketball. I will shrink and last I will select beach ball. Now I will put a new backdrop for library by choosing a backdrop for library. Different types of backdrops came and I will choose gold 2, gold 1. This backdrop came and I can drag also at the front. No, it can be dragged. And I will draw a new sprite. The new sprite of join a line. I will make it thick. Now I will drag. I will drag it at the last. Then I will put the following commands. From the events pane you have to drag when green flag click. Then for the motions block you have to drag this block. Then from control this block forever. Then from the motions, then first block move 10 steps and last default edge bounce. Let me see the result. No, I have done wrong. So it should be corrected by changing the degree. See, I will make it minus 90 degree. And 80, 84, 99, 94, 93, 84, 90. I will drag it. Now I will delete it. It is for your extra it means that to bring you an extra knowledge. Select on ball and from the and you follow the following commands. From the events when green flag click, then from the motions turn this block, then from the controls this block, then from the motions again the first block, then the last default edge bounce. Then I will click the green flag for the testing purpose. It is moving. I have to find it, and the sprite one is missing, so I will delete it, and and again I have to draw. It has been drawn. I will drag it. Then I will select a ball, and again I have to from the events when flag play. Then from control forever. You can also put a new sound for your project. Then from this control only, if this one, then from the sensing touching, I will put a sprite 1. Then I will record a new sound. Let's hear the new sound. Let's start. Despacito, que lo beso hasta con lo despacito, mi cáliz ahorita con los al oído, para que lo saco lugar descrito. Sabe que lo que tu como severino, hasta propaganda escrito, y no me severino, sabovito lere, never nero sa, tu como severino, hasta propaganda escrito, y no me severino. Pasito a pasito, sabecito, no solo pegando paquito, no me besa, nunca se cereza, no te quiero besar. Oye, despacito, que lo beso hasta con lo despacito, mi cáliz ahorita con los al oído, para que lo saco lugar descrito. Despacito, deposit, and I will go to scripts. Then from the sound I will drag this one. Then I will go to recording. Looks. Next costume. Let me see. Despacito, que lo despacito, que despacito. I will delete this one. Then I don't want to have this, so I will choose a new sound from the library. Let me see. This is good. Then I will go to sound, and I will drag this. Then on the looks, next costume. Then I will again go to events and drag this when green flag click. Then control forever. From the sound I will again drag the one, recording one. Let me see. Despacito. poquito, que le beso a culo despacito. Y carne cerdito con el al oído, para que no se coloca escrito. Sube, sube, que loca, tu cabeza orino. Hace poco carne escrito. Y no me sereno, salvito, salvito, rere. No, 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 tu cabeza orino. Hace poco carne escrito. Y no me sereno. Pasito a pasito, suave, suavecito, vamos navegando poquito a poquito. No me besa, no me cereza, no te quiero besar. Oye, despacito. I can also change the speed. It is moving very nicely. Please like, subscribe and comment this channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching this video. I will present many videos in